The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Franklin County, Ohio, northwestern Fairfield County, southwestern Licking County, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:03 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located over Groveport, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include Columbus, Reynoldsburg, Hanna, Pickerington, Bexley, Pawtascala, Canal Winchester, Groveport, Easton, Summit Station, Beechwood Trails, Whitehall, Etna, New Albany, Obitz, Jersey, Bryce, Port Columbus Airport, and Blacklick Estates. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 98 and 118. Interstate 71 in Ohio between mile markers 104 and 110. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Now for